Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Xi or Ji step by step. I will first write it in standard scripts, then follow in 2 words and 1 sentence. Now let's write. Xi or Ji. System. Department. To connect. Xi. As Ji means to tie, to fasten. For example, 日系 日系 means Japanese related.日系 Japanese related. 系鞋带 鞋带 系鞋带 tie the shoes. He bent over to tie his shoe. He bent over to tie his shoe. 他弯腰系鞋带。他弯腰系鞋带。弯腰系鞋带。He bent over to tie his shoe. 他弯腰系鞋带。系 in cursive. Xi system department to connect. Ji to tie, to fasten. 日系 Japanese related. 系鞋带 tie the shoe. He bent over to tie his shoe. 他弯腰系鞋带。系 Xi. Please comment any words or sentence with the character Ji or Xi. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.